delicious ice cream of goodness. Let me zoom out.
Yeah. Delicious.
Homemade deliciousness. That looks. No, I'm not gonna say that in the video. Scoop up a delicious.
It looks like.
Scoop up a delicious bite, Jonathan, Michael, somebody. Delicious bite. Nice haircut, by the way. Eat it all.
It's good.
It is.
Of course, this is also a pretty unique taste for ice cream.
Oh yeah. I get ice cream too.
I think he enjoys watching people eat ice cream and brownies.
No, it's just must has the ice cream. And I want to tantalize him because he's always, having ice cream and not me. Eat the tasty goodness.
This is the best darn ice cream you'll eat.
Because Brianna made it.
Could have been mixed a little better. I had one part that didn't taste like chocolate ice cream.
Well, just one part though. So far it's good.
Really,
I've
really
had a part.
good.
It's really good. It's good.
Good to the last drop.
Good to the last drop. That should be our motto.
If you can get
Totally
the
not.
last drop, that is.
Ooh, cat. Ghost cat. Copper! You have to be in every video. Okay.
Give me some ice cream.
Give you close-up action.